Okay, we are back. So after restarting, our Windows is ready to. From here, we will select the Canada. Keyboard should be US skip for the second keyboard layout. So it took me like less than 5 minutes to install this window. Here is like I don't have internet. Otherwise, if you don't select this, or if you try to connect now, it's gonna be a problem because it's gonna go online and try to register this Windows. So we're gonna continue with limited setup always, and and make sure that whenever you plug your SSD, you should plug your SSD in SS port. So on PCs you can find the icon of it says SS port, that means super speed, and it will take you like 5 minutes to install the Windows from SSD or on SSD. Otherwise, it's gonna take you half an hour, maybe more than half an hour, 40 minutes to install the same window. So I'm gonna write the name home PC. Next, I'm gonna skip password for now. Okay. So no. Says no, find my device, just required only, accept, no, accept, no. So we are almost there. So now what we have to do is we have to install the VMware tools. It's also called guest editions in VirtualBox, and we have to make a clone. Clone is like same, every setting is same, the name is same, but it says clone. So it's really easy to make a clone. So let's first start with this stuff. So with the VMware tools, so there are a lot of benefits, like you can make the guest OS as a full screen, because if you notice now, this guest OS cannot become a full screen. So also you cannot map a network drive. So for those kind of stuff, we have to install this VMware tools. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in a moment once we load this window. And always make sure that your RAM is at least 4 GB. Otherwise, again, all your process of installing Windows will be very slow. And also, whenever you install your Windows on your home computer or a laptop, at least the recommended RAM is 16 GB and Core i7. Otherwise, if your computer has 8 GB, it's gonna become very slow and can crash. So those are the two most important things you have to keep in mind. So when sometime you are in a guest OS, it's really hard to get out of the mouse out of the guest OS. So just press Control or Alt. It's just gonna bring your mouse back to the host computer. It's coming your way. Okay. Almost there. Okay. So now this is a fresh install. What we have to do first thing is I'm gonna show you how to install a VMware tools. Like if you go here and see this, actually this is the thing that we put the ISO file in that directory, so it loaded then the Windows will install. So now it shows that here it says, look, 5.12 GB. This size is basically is of our ISO file. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to VM. I'm gonna go to install VMware tools. So these VMware tools are called guest editions in VirtualBox. So look, if you see now the icon has changed. Now this thing has been, it's like this is plugged in. So I'm gonna go right click and install. Yes. So we have to restart this. Once this process is done, we have to restart. So now, as you see that this is a small screen, it's automatically it's gonna become the length and width of the screen is gonna go bigger once this process is completed. Next, select typical. Next, install. Alrighty. Okay, look, now this has become full screen. That means that we have installed that VMware tool successfully, but it's gonna ask us to reboot. Finish. Okay, you must restart for the conversion made to VM tools to take effect. Click yes. So for cloning a machine, I'm gonna make another video because otherwise it's gonna take a long time. So this video will become more longer in length. So for here we have installed VMware Workstation Pro and Windows 11 in that VMware Workstation, and we installed the VMware tools. Also, I'm going to show you how to change the name of the this machine. So there are two ways, like for the machine, from like if you want to change the name of machine, you can easily go here. So maybe they're going to ask you to change the name. Go to settings. So here, if you maybe our machine is running, that will not allow us, but if you shut down your machine and change the name, it's gonna affect immediately. Okay, so now we are done here. So our machine is fully running and it's complete. Now you can also map a drive. So and that's it for this video. And okay, let me show you. Let's change the name of machine before I stop this video. Shut down. So if they ask you to change the name of guest operating system, then you have to go to my PC or the PC and change the name of machine their computer. and and this thing nothing has to do with the name of the Windows that is running inside. Okay, So this can help you distinguish between Windows clone and the original Windows. Like we have installed Windows 11, but it's saying that it's Windows 10 and later version. So best thing is just change the name to come right click settings options Windows. I would name it Windows 11 original. Okay, that's it. So now if I'm gonna make a clone, it's gonna I can easily identify which one is clone and which one is original. Okay, that's it for this video. For the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make a clone of this Windows 11 original machine. Thank you so much.